In this lecture, we are going to learn about passing array to a function. Let's dive into the lecture and explore the concept. The content of this lecture are as follows. First, introduction to passing array to a function. Second, graphical representation of passing array to a function. Third, different type of array passing. At first, we will understand the concept of passing array to a function. Passing an array refers to the concept of sending either some elements of the array or the entire array to a function in any programming language. Let's see the graphical representation of passing an array. The representation consists of two blocks of code. One is the main block and the other is a function block. The main block contains an integer type array of size 5. This is already initialized. After this, there is a line of code that sends the element present at the index number 3 to the function block. The function block contains an augmented parameter that receives the coming element of the array from the main block. This value is printed using the printf statement in the function block. This representation is just a part of passing array. We will explore more types in the upcoming lectures. As mentioned earlier, we will explore more type of array passing. Let's explore the different type of passing arrays in the upcoming slides. This chart represents the different type of array passing to a function. In this chart, we are working on 1D array. The first level shows two forms. First, passing individual elements. Second, passing the entire array. Passing individual elements is further divided into two parts. First, passing respective values, and second, passing address of the values.